that you can do when you are on a Western Caribbean cruise that stops in Cozumel, Mexico is a Mayan cooking class. One of my favorite things to do when I'm traveling is to experience culture. So when we stopped in Cozumel this past summer on our cruise, we decided to try something a little different. We went to a local restaurant to create an authentic Mayan meal. The cooking class started at 12:30, so that gave us plenty of time to grab breakfast and wander around the ship while it wasn't so crowded. This also gave us some time to explore the port a bit before heading over to the excursion. Getting to the restaurant was pretty simple from where our Royal Caribbean ship was docked, which was at the International Cruise Port. We simply walked outside of the port, crossed the street to the Royal Village Shopping Center, and made our way to the restaurant with a little bit of help from Google Maps. All in all, it took about 10 minutes for us to walk to the restaurant from the port. Throughout the class, we were able to get familiarized with the Mayan culture by cooking ancient Mayan recipes with ancestral ingredients as well as trying out the dishes. This was a fantastic experience that my family and I really enjoyed, where we learned what it was like to make Mayan cuisine using techniques that were established a long time ago. If you're thinking about an excursion in Cozumel, I highly recommend something like this. It is a great way to learn about history while immersing yourself in an ancient culture. Our excursion lasted around 2 to 3 hours, and afterwards we had plenty of time to look around the port, look at some of the shops, and go shopping before we got back on the ship. Thanks for coming along with me to learn more about this Mayan cooking class in Cozumel, Mexico. I will be posting more videos about travel in the future, so please subscribe. If you are interested in taking a cruise or just need help planning your vacation, please reach out and let me know. My contact info is in the details listed below. I'm a travel advisor and I can help you plan your next trip. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.